so full of cheer. Vicky's for, come over here. A little bean so small and round, let's help it grow up from the ground. Paper towel, nice and wet, in a clear cup. Ready, set, tuck the bean in nice and tight, waiting for the morning light. Peek each day, what can we see? A tiny root for you and me. Grow, little bean, the happiest plant we've ever seen. Roots go down, leaves reach high, stretching up into the sky. Ben says, wow! Vicky sings, yay! Growing a little more every day. Grow, little bean, you're the best plant we've ever seen. One small root begins to grow. Down, down, down it goes. Then a little green leaf pops, growing higher, never stops. Give it sunshine, give it care, fresh, clean water everywhere. Plants need love and time each day. Watch them grow in every way. Tiny seed, you're strong inside. Nature is your magic guide. Every day a brand new surprise, growing bigger before our eyes. Right, grow, little bean, the happiest plant we've ever seen. Roots go down, leaves reach high, reaching for the sunny sky. Ben and Viki clap and cheer. Look how much you've grown this year.